Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Right? We're here inside the Greenwoods Executive Village. Okay. So this is a single attached property. So yung garage, good for a two carport vehicle. Right? Then, on this side, pwede kayong siguro mag-garden. Yan. So, depende po sa needs. So, upon entering, this is your high ceiling living area, right? Double height ceiling. Okay. Then, ito yung setback. Going to a service area, pero mamaya na tayo lalabas doon, okay? Dito tayo sa ating dining and kitchen area. Then, ito yung kanyang ceiling. Okay, dito muna tayo sa ating service area. Okay? So, ito yung kanina. Yung setback niya. Magmula doon, pagpasok ng gate, doon sa right side, hanggang dito. Yung setback. Okay? Ito yung maid's quarter with toilet and bath na rin. Okay? So, pakita ko lang yung space for maid's quarter. Oops, sorry. So yung full details, ipopost ko na lang po sa description. The lot area, the floor area, and the price po. So ito yung ating guest room. Or, for senior adult, yan. Kung may kasama po kayong mga senior po na hindi na kayang umakit na second floor. Then katabi lang nun is yung itong ating full toilet and bath. So again, pakita ko yung space dito sa ating ground floor. Kitchen, dining, and living area. Right? Akit tayo sa ating second floor. So, ito yung ating family area dito sa second floor. Then, ito yung ating high ceiling. Right? So, hanggang doon sa living area natin. Okay? So, dito sa second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms, including the master's bedroom. Then, meron tayong dalawang toilet and bath, which is nasa master's bedroom, yung isang full toilet and bath. So, private bathroom for the master's bedroom. Ito yung ating master's bedroom. Okay? Punta tayo dito. May small balcony. So, ito yung space for the master's bedroom. Your walk-in closet and your private bathroom. Right? So, if interested, message lang po. Available po sa mobile and Viber. It's 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.